Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope all are fine. I am Munmun Nahar, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Chapter 2, Data Communication and Computer Networking. Today's my topic is Data Transmission Mode. Process of transmitting data is called data transmission mode. One can come to know how data is transmitted through mode. Mode indicate the direction of flow of data in data transmission. There are three main modes in data. First, unicast. Second, broadcast. And third, multicast. Let's see what is unicast. A unicast transmission is a one-to-one communication that passes from a single source to a single receiver or destination. Here is a sender and here receiver. Sender transmit data receiver and receiver only can receive data. Here information is being exchanged between the sending computer and the receiving computer. It is unicast. Let's see what is a broadcast transmission. The transmission process in which any sender computer with network when transmits data and all the receiver can receive the data is called broadcast. When a program is telecasted in television, all television and receiver can receive that at once. This is broadcast. What is multicast? Through broadcast medium, data can be transmitted to all of the group nodes in data communication. But if the possible to manage transmitting data to those who need is not to all of the computer will be called multicast. Here are some of the devices I see, and all the devices are connected to YouTube, but each one is receiving different data. Transmission process in which data is transmitted from a sender to a receiver is called unicast. In short, sender and receiver communication. There are three types of data transmission. Let us see which types of data transmission system. First, simplex. Second, half duplex. Third, full duplex. Simplex. The flow of data in single direction in data transmission is called simplex mode. In this process, a sender computer sends data to another computer and receiver receives the data. For example, PABX system, radio, television, etc. Here is a video transmitter and here is a television. Television can only receive transmitted data but cannot transmit any data. Next, we learn what is half duplex. The process in which data can be transmitted from both sender and receiver but not at the same time is called half duplex mode. In this process, any side, sender or receiver either send or receive data at the same time but cannot send and receive data at the same time. Here is an example: walkie-talkie. We can see two devices on the screen being walkie-talkie. In screen, data can be sent from first device to second device, and data can be sent from second device to first device as well, but not at the same time. After having finished the sending process of data of first device, second device can send data, and at that time first device can only receive the data. Full duplex. What is full duplex? The process in which sender and receiver can send and receive data at the same time from both directions is called full duplex. In this process, any side can receive data at the same time while sending. For example, telephone and mobile. Dear students, I hope you understand the class well today. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Thank you.
Peace.